Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare delicious tinned tomatoes at home using an easy method. Start by selecting about 5 pounds of ripe, firm tomatoes, ideally a paste variety like Roma, for optimal results. Wash them thoroughly under cool running water. Next, prepare your canning jars, lids, and rings. Sterilize the jars by boiling them for 10 minutes and keep the lids and rings warm. This initial preparation is crucial for safe and successful home canning. Now, score a small X on the bottom of each tomato. Carefully place them into boiling water for about 30 to 60 seconds, just until the skins begin to split. Immediately transfer the blanched tomatoes into an ice bath to stop the cooking process. This quick temperature change makes peeling the skins incredibly easy, saving you a lot of effort. After peeling, core and quarter your tomatoes, removing any green or tough parts. Pack the tomato pieces tightly into your sterilized pint or quart jars, pressing down to release air bubbles. For safety, add 1 tablespoon of bottled lemon juice to each pint jar or 2 tablespoons for quart jars. Ensure you leave a half-inch headspace at the top before sealing. Carefully place your sealed jars onto a rack in a large pot. Cover them with at least 1 inch of boiling water. Bring the water back to a rolling boil and process pint jars for 35 minutes or 45 minutes for quart jars. Once done, remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed for 24 hours. Check for proper seal by pressing the center of the lid.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.